All right, Harmony Science Academy, we're gonna really focus on inequalities and getting really masterful at this. Here, they want us to graph the solution. Okay, so we have n less than equal to -6, or you guys can practice saying any number less than equal to -6, or all numbers. Okay, so let's go with any number less than -6. So the first thing you do is this guy, you go to -6. Now, should I go open or close circle? Okay. If you said close circle because there's equal to, good. Okay, if it wasn't there, you'd leave it open. Okay. And I need any number that's less than -6, and they go this way. Okay. So that's how I would show. Now, as far as you guys go, you're not going to want to do every one of these tallies and all these numbers. So in your notebooks, okay, here's the easy way to do it. Draw a number line like this. Okay. This value here, put it right in the middle. And then the first thing you want to do is, hey, is it open or closed circle? Equal to, so it's closed. And then any number less than, so then you just highlight this area. Okay, you're going to have a couple to do, so you want to do it as neat as possible, but also save yourself time. All right, here we are. Now they've graphed the solution set for us. We need to write the inequality. Okay, they don't give us a variable, so real popular are n and x. Okay, you can use almost any letter as a variable. For now, let's go with n, right? Any number, n, seems appropriate. Open circle, okay, and it's less than, so n is, right, or the solution, or all the numbers that are less than 2. Okay, so you guys should fly through that. Now, the last set is pretty much the same thing, except we're gonna involve some solution, right, solving. So let's go and do 24 and 25. 25 just because it looks different. But see, these you know how to do. Add 11 to both sides. Over here, add 4 to both sides. This one looks different, but you guys know what to do. Okay, we can give you a chance to think here. But if you're thinking, multiply by 3 to both sides. Okay, mister, the variable is getting divided by 3, so the opposite is multiply by 3. And you do it to both sides. Okay, so we'd be left with, it would cancel here and here, so we have 5 is less than n, or remember what I told you guys, it's always helpful to read it with the variable first. So this is n is greater than 5, so I'm going to go to 5. Okay, should I close it? No, open circle. Okay, and n is bigger than 5 over here, bigger, and it keeps going. Alright, let's do the last one here. -19r greater than 95. So before we start graphing, let's go ahead and solve. Okay, I'm doing this one for a specific reason. I think some of you guys know what I'm talking about. But here you guys would know too, Mr. Between the coefficient, right, our vocabulary, and the variable is multiplication, so you should divide. Some people are going to divide by 19, but it's a -19. So it would cancel here, okay, and we're left with r. This right here would be -5, okay. Now, the sign is saying r is greater, but here's something important, okay. So I'm going to put a star in this problem. When you multiply or divide by a negative, the sign switches, okay. So if this is too much to handle, just write it down, copy it, put a star, and deal with it later. If not, you can work with it, okay? But just remember, when you multiply or divide by a negative, okay, the sign switches. So let's go ahead and go to -5 right here. Open or close, it's open. And any number less than, so I would go this way. Okay, this way. Now you guys in your notebooks, same thing, you do a number line. You got your -5, open circle, and you just tell us which way you're going. Any number less than. And you keep it simple, okay? Alright guys, appreciate your time. Catch you in class.